You better sing that song, Bird. Yeah.
You know, when you join the Army, there are some qualifications that you have to go. You have to sign a paper, take a physical before they even allow you to go on to basic training. And when you get to basic training, they condition your mind and they condition your body to do exactly what they need you to do. Right? And as you go through basic training, you learn to take orders. And in taking those orders, as you get experience, you'll move up, because when you go in to the army, you go in as a private. And then you can move up to a corporal and lieutenant and colonel. That may be out of order, but I know you can stay there long enough, you can get to be a general. But as you make a step higher and higher and higher, you still are taking orders from somebody who is superior to you. That's the same thing as for Christians. To get into God's army, there are some qualifications. See, first you have to believe in your heart and confess with your mouth that Jesus is the Son of God. And he died, and he was resurrected on the third day. That's your qualifications for getting into God's army. But then there is some type of basic training for new people coming in. It's called Sunday school. It's called BTU. You know, all those things that you go to when you first start, because you have to learn how to be a Christian. And as you're learning how to be a Christian, you're taking orders from somebody who is a little more experienced than you, who's been where you've been. And when you as you grow as a Christian, you move into positions to help somebody who's coming in that's below you, and you give them advice and orders from you to them, but ultimately you're still taking orders from the pastor or the superintendent of the Sunday school, who they take their orders from Jesus and God themselves. So you never get to the point where you are the ultimate one giving orders. You're always in a place to be able to accept some advice or some counseling from someone who's been where you've been. So if you come with me and travel to the book of Psalms, we're going to travel to the book number 37. And we're going to go down to just one verse. It's going to be verse 23.
Okay.
Psalms